Today we just hit another beautiful scalp on GU. Like, look at this, no drawdown whatsoever, just pure tag me in and instant profits. And about 2R, can't lie, these scalpings have been amazing so far. We're about 4% in 2 weeks, I think. So it's quite decent. I might start a prop firm challenge only dedicated to scalps, and we can see how I do. But yeah, just to explain the trade right here, we're currently bearish, but we broke liquidity yesterday. We gave out this change of character, we got the order block, we was going bullish for people that don't know about Asia, but we broke Asia highs, and this was a trap because again it's Asia lows again. Broke out this inducement, came to the order block, the hourly order block, I believe. We broke liquidity once, liquidity twice, came to the order block, gave was breaking structure right here, and this became a trap. So boom. So because this was a trap, this will likely become a trap, and it did. I could have placed myself here, but I waited for the safer break of structure. We broke. I put a limit just on the block and stuff, which was quite good because price just tagged me in and went my way. And that was about a 2R. And on these I'm risking $100, so this was about $190, $170, something like that. But today, the subject we were talking about is quitting trading. And maybe you clicked on this video because you're thinking about it, maybe you're going through a rough journey. But I mean, trading is hard, and if you really want to quit, like, you gotta ask yourself, like, do you really like trading, or are you just going through a rough time? Because quitting doesn't always mean bitching out, because you can have a valid reason to quit. If you don't enjoy trading, then fine, quit. Like, you're just wasting time out here. But if not, just stick to it, bro. You know the advantages, you know the lifestyle it can get you, you know the geographical freedom, the financial freedom. You can be trading anywhere. You can do anything with your time. You know all that good stuff. But sometimes we go to a rough period, and then we get the bitchy voice in our heads. Like, even me, like couple time back, like, you have that bitchy voice, like, oh, is trading really for me? Is this really for me? And stuff. Are these guys really making any profit at all? Or is it all fake? And then you just gotta snap out of it, cause like then you go to the back testing. Like, I'm give my example here. Then I go to the back test and I do 100%. I predict the markets impeccably. I do crazy results. And I'm like, no, wait a second. I actually know how to trade, so. But if you're not at that level yet, maybe you got that bitchy voice sometimes, and you just gotta snap into reality and realize you're actually good. Cause like, if you can make those results in a 10k account, there's no reason why you should not make those in a 200k account. It's just that the capital is different. But then again, you gotta look at the skill and not the dollar amount, the capital. Cause sometimes we'll be in the trade, and you're like, oh shit, I'm $1,000 up, I'm $1,000 up. And then but you gotta think, how much is that in risk reward? Just 1 hour. If it's just 1 hour, then leave it. Just like, put a break even and let the trade play out. It's that type of things you gotta think about. But where I was going with this is, if you still don't have the skill to just like snap out of it, like, you just gotta keep putting the work. I'm sorry to break it down to you, but this shit is not simple. You know that 99% of traders lose. So you just gotta put in the work. If you want to subscribe to the channel, I'll appreciate it, and I'll teach you to get better. I'll teach you everything I know about trading for absolutely for free. You can join the community. We do live trading calls. You have brothers sharing knowledge, helping each other grow. We got people passing funding accounts, like, but you gotta put in the work though. The reward is amazing, but the cost is also great. This shit ain't about to come from day and night, not a few weeks, not a few months. If you're really taking this shit serious, like minimum, and it depends on the person, but it's like 6 months to a year. And that meaning like you cut off everything and you do about 2 hours a day focused to trading. I believe you should do like at least 1 hour backtesting per day. 1 hour backtesting, 1 hour like studying concept, watching videos, whatever. But every day you should be on the grind. It depends how hungry you are and what's your like, I don't know, objective on a time scale. Do you want this the quickest way possible? I mean, we all do, but are you willing to sacrifice things? Are you willing to sacrifice video games? Are you willing to sacrifice free time, going out? I mean, if not, then trading is it just isn't for you. Trading and maybe any endeavor. In this kind of level of success, because like you gotta sacrifice, and if you're not willing to sacrifice, then fine, quit. Be a bitch. Yeah. I hope that pisses you off, so you can just like be better. I'm not out here flexing on you just to flex. I'm here to trying to show you to maybe inspire you. And maybe you'll see my Thailand videos and actually see what trading can give you, what lifestyle trading can give you, what is possible with trading, what is possible when you actually put in the work. Because you can do this, brothers. I believe in each and every one of you. If you put in the work, like that's impossible. It's impossible for you to not make it. If you actually try your absolute best, it's impossible for you to not make it. But you also gotta be real with yourself. You gotta be productive. You gotta be in the trenches. You cannot be procrastinating and just be dreaming in your head. You gotta actually put in the work. It's about action. You can daydream, you can do all this visualization, but at the end of the day, 99% of the time gotta be action. Gotta be work. So yeah, man. Hope y'all make it. You can even come see me in Thailand. We can also do meetups in Dubai. Like, that's the type of shit I want to give to the guys in the Discord. And maybe do some giveaways and stuff to just build up the community. So if you're not in the community, feel free to join. And you can see my trades. I gave out this GU there. Not live because it's a scalp. Like I said in previous videos, I'm not selling the scalps. I'm only saving this. I'm only giving signals for the safe positions. But yeah, you can see our results weekly, monthly, the achievements, the accounts and whatsoever. So yeah, hope if you're thinking about quitting, just join our community, join the brothers, and give it one more try. Because you can really make it, brother. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and peace out. Stay focused, brothers.